You're on now.
All right. TTT, what is this, round 5? Yeah, I think so.
1, 2, yeah, 5. Please, if you're an innocent of the deputy, just aim for the head at this point. No. I'm really sick and tired of, like, getting welts below the belt.
I can do that. I can do that.
Yeah, go find a way.
Oh, okay. I'll find a home.
You're over here. I'm gonna stay away from you.
Okay.
You keep shooting me in the nuts. I'm not a fan.
I feel you there. Who's deputizing who? I heard. I'm looking for the deputy. Someone please deputize me. I'm coming. Okay, I'm coming. It's in my pocket. There's somebody who was shooting over there.
No, show me your card now. Good, deputized.
Thank God. Somebody with a shotgun. I heard a shotgun get shot.
Whoever's there, walk towards us. With your card.
Walk towards us now! Fire! I have very, very limited ammo, so I'm gonna be cut close. I've got like
Show me your card, come on!
maybe 8 rounds.
Daniel coffee house.
Daniel's in the coffee house?
You have to trust this card when you duck down so you can't see.
I don't trust him.
I don't trust it either.
Wait a minute. Let's do the math. We know there are 4 terrorists. How many of us are there?
4? I don't know how many, 7?
Then the rest of, then there's 1 more innocent, and hit right on my fucking knuckle. Oh. Yeah, I did. I'm dead, but I'm okay.
Where's Daniel at?
This is our last round, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go start packing. I usually take a while. Fuck my knuckles. That's fine, I'm good with that. Actually, in theory, this should work.